What's up, friends? Happy Friday to you. I got off early today, so doing the video a little early. I did wait until the market closed, so here you go, 401. Closing print, market is down. Hell of a run, though, at the very end of the day. If you weren't checking it out, you can see it was down all day, and then right at the end, boom. That completes the weekly candle. And you see there, that's the weekly. Of course, we don't use that to trade on or anything, but it's good to be aware of. I don't know what happened on the video yesterday, but something happened with this NTAP order. You can go back and look at the video and see, maybe let me know what I screwed up, but I was able to put that back in and get filled at 60, just like we talked about on the video. So we got 2 sales today, which was really good way to end the year and the month. And this is definitely our best run so far. And that's what we want, every month to be just a little bit better than the last. Alright, this one got out at 60. What did we get out of the other one at? Filled at 859, just where our order was. And the market is down, so we get to go hunting. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm glad this account's doing well. 803 was the end. That takes us to a grand total with the dividends, 1765. So I'll have to decide exactly how I'm going to do this with the investing account, but looks like I need to get off my ass and get it done, doesn't it? Definitely going to wait till the first of the year. I have a messy tax return already. But we'll get that in the works. If it's not exactly at 20, I'm sure you'll understand why you've at least set up one brokerage at this point. This stuff just takes some time. HRB, we're still in. And you can see we have 2 day trades left. We have a ton of cash. This is going to be and it ran up at the end of the day. It's just going to be a beautiful setup to make money. Well, first things first, HRB. Let's check that sucker out. Still way under the 30 RSI. We're at a 24. Okay. So we can go ahead and put another buy order in for that. Let's do that. The closing print was 36.51. So if you're all worried about, well, we didn't buy it yesterday, the market was up, but we could have averaged down because this stock went down. You can see we didn't miss nothing. We're still just averaging right in. And it's making a bottom. It's starting to bottom out. You can see a nice tail candle here, so it's probably on the way up. Hopefully we'll get this share in and get to sell for even bigger profits, right? Even bigger profits. Now this will count as a day trade if it fills. First triggers the second, which is definitely my favorite part about having a TD Ameritrade account. There are a lot of things I still really don't like about it, but the order fills and the orders options that you get are just amazing. 36.51 is what we want as closing print. And we need a sell price, so go ahead and figure that up on your own here. We'll see if I can do some. Well, that ends up being pretty good. You take these, divide by 3 to get your average, or it's right here. And it looks like it's going to be 37.35 if my math is correct. 37.35. Remember, we want good till cancel with the extended hours. And hopefully we get the buy order filled and then this sell. Hopefully it all goes this afternoon. That would be really cool. Ship it. Alright, nothing yet. So that leaves us $276 and one potential day trade. So let's go shopping. Alright. Let's follow the process, right? Let me just go ahead and do the screener here. Hopefully after watching a few weeks of this, you can kind of get an idea of what's going on. It's very simple. It's not easy because the thing that makes it difficult is that it's every day, forever. A lot of people can't do anything every day. It doesn't matter what it is. They're not consistent. 2 steps forward and 3 steps back, right? Just like the song. That's most people. They can do good for a little while and then they kind of peter out on the deal. All right. Oh, there's a mortgage REIT. There's HRB again. We wanted to look at Bristol Myers the last time. We never did. So let's take a look at this. It's a high price. Well, 33 into 2 is like a 16.5. So the PE is okay, but it's not something I'm really that excited about. I do like the shape though. You can see here, it's at a support level. Yeah. And it's a name brand. Everybody should know what this is. So let's take it. 71.80. Well, apparently we've taken it before. Oh, the stupid formatting of cells here. BM. No, that's the bank. Bristol Myers Squibb. No, that's it. All right, BMY. Let's do it. You can't always just go by companies that you've heard of, but it's not a bad way when you're starting off. You still have to look at the financials. Had they had a bunch of debt or something like that, we wouldn't be taking this. And you can't get too. I guess you could just wait for the perfect play every time. But these are already filtered out at 8,000. We got it down to 4. Okay. And we got it at a really strong support level. So to think that it's not at least going to bounce a little bit is kind of crazy to me. You've got all of these tops, all these bottoms. The whole chart is based around this price. So this is a no-brainer to me. It's definitely going to happen. If we can get filled, that'll be the trick. So 71.95. How do we get 80? Did we do something wrong? Probably. Why does that show 95? Well, what's this one show? We want to get the right price. We don't want to overpay. Closing print 71.94. So looks like the other one is 15 minutes delayed. That's why. So we got 71.95 because of the run up the last other day here. Let's put her in. What's our sell price going to be? Take some time. Pause the video if you need to. Looks like it's going to be 72.66. Is that right? Well, that's convenient, I believe. 6. Yeah, I think that's it. Remember, we want good till cancel with the extended hours. 1 in, 1 out. That is our second potential day trade. We are filled 71.95, which is what we put it in for. Sweet. So now we have 200 bucks left. We got about half of our account. So let's see if there's something that we absolutely cannot live without. I don't know much about this one. Let's take a look. It's only 20 bucks. I know everybody knows Blackstone. Look at that. Holy smokes. Now with REITs, you throw this debt out the window because most real estate is levered 5-to-1, 4-to-1, whatever, 20% down, right? So you throw that out the window. But the PEs are nice. The dividend's sure nice. There's not much support down here. BXMT. Let's take one quick look. But yeah, you have to look REITs a little different. Let's take a look. See if there's some longer term support here. You don't want to buy a stock that's just free falling, which is kind of. Oh, see, look, if you look far out, look, there it is. That's all the support. The whole market's turning. You can see it. So let's go and take this one too. BXMT. Now remember, we only have 2-day trades, so we are not going to be putting in the sell order, which is okay. I mean, it's got a 12% dividend almost, so that's some good cash flow. 21. 17. We're just going to do one little share, no big deal. Right at the mark. Oh, I don't think I did it right. Every time I get in a hurry. I don't know why I'm in a hurry. 21. Yeah, this one's going to be a little bit of a longer video. That's okay. We have some activity. We want the good till cancel with the extended hours. That's probably why I didn't fill. Right at the mark. Okay. BXMT 21.17. All right. Let's see what else we got. How much cash do we have left? That's important. 180 bucks. But none of our, we're already in that one. This is the only one left. That's another REIT as well. 12.5 dividend. The debt's a little lower, but they're not making us as much money. Well, this one still looks fine too. KREF. Let's take a look. We do want to see some kind of supports. I mean, if it's just... We've got these two here. This one's a little more shaky, but it's only 14 bucks. So, when was the dividend? We just missed it. September. That's why it dipped down, was the ex-dividend date right here. This is a great time to get in. KREF. And then we have bought everything. Now, as the account gets larger, we'll do the same exact things, but we will it will be less of a percentage of our total account. So it won't be quite as aggressive as what we're dealing with now. 1396. But when you don't have much, you have to work with what you have. And this has been a fun exercise for me too. My account's pretty decent size now, my main account, but the principles apply. Same principles always apply. We want the extended hours here. Good till cancel. All right, that got filled. 1396. Perfect. So now I got filled today and everything like that. Remember, market is going to be closed on Monday for the holiday. Tuesday we come back and we'll be able to sell them. So okay, Bristol Myers, yeah. That's all we've got. If you look at the market for the last rolling 12 for the year, down 20%. You can see our P&L here. We've made more than that though. We were up, what, 17 bucks. So you can compare that to the market here. They really do a crap job on even on the website of providing a good comparison to the S&P. But we should be able to hit the measure here. We were on 824. Right here's the close, 824. In the same period, the market is down 7.56%. And you can go back and figure out how much we're up, but it doesn't really matter. We're winning. We're ahead. Our account's going up while the market's going down. That's all I'm really trying to illustrate. I hope this helps you. I hope it can help be part of your trading plan. Remember to come up with your own plan. Don't just blindly follow me. But the hardest thing about getting started in the stock market is when to buy, how much to buy, and when to sell. And hopefully I can give you some ideas on how I do it. It has worked for me for several years, and I think it can help you too. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a happy, safe new year. Next year is going to be incredible for me, so I'm really excited to get the new year kicked off. I got a lot of big things happening this year. I hope you do too, as we're coming out of this pandemic recession thing. Or just getting started if you watch the news. But remember, the news is always behind. So you'll start to see the market go up, I think. It's going to be really good for us. We'll get a new lease on life with our investing account in the next year. And if you did just get started when I started this or around the same time, give yourself a pat on the back because you changed your future. The hardest step to take is the first one. So good job. Keep it up. You know, the journey of a 1,000 miles starts with a single step, but you can't just take one step and get the 1,000 miles. You got to keep stepping. So let's keep stepping. I'll catch you guys on Tuesday. Remember, the market is closed. Happy New Year.